Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 5th, 2025, and we're diving into AECOM's third quarter fiscal 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. AECOM, a global leader in infrastructure services, has just released its Q3 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from record-setting adjusted EPS to increased financial guidance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. AECOM reported a revenue of $4.18 billion, with net service revenue at $1.94 billion. John, how does this compare to previous quarters?
Well, the revenue saw a slight increase of 1% year over year, but the net service revenue grew by 6%, which is quite impressive. This growth is primarily driven by strong performance in the Americas segment, which saw an 8% increase in net service revenue.
And what about profitability?
AECOM's operating income rose by 29% to $296 million, and net income increased by 35% to $178 million. This is a testament to their operational efficiencies and strategic investments in high-margin areas.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. AECOM reported an adjusted EPS of $1.34, beating the forecast of $1.25. John, what does this tell us?
This is a significant beat, especially considering the forecast was set by a single analyst. The 16% growth in adjusted EPS highlights AECOM's strong financial management and ability to exceed market expectations consistently.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, AECOM achieved a segment operating margin of 17.1% and an EBITDA margin of 17.6%. What are the key drivers behind these figures?
The margins are a result of AECOM's focus on high-return investments and operational efficiencies. Their backlog and pipeline are at all-time highs, providing unprecedented visibility into future projects. Additionally, their free cash flow of $262 million underscores their strong cash conversion capabilities.
And looking ahead, what can investors expect?
AECOM has increased its full-year financial guidance for the third consecutive quarter, indicating confidence in continued growth. They are well-positioned to capitalize on infrastructure and sustainability trends, which should drive long-term value.
Leadership insights and strategic initiatives. Let's discuss the insights from AECOM's leadership. What did CEO Troy Rudd and the team highlight in their statements?
CEO Troy Rudd emphasized the company's competitive edge and the high returns from growth investments. President Lara Poloni highlighted AECOM's unmatched scale and technical expertise, while CFO Gaurav Kapoor focused on their strong cash flow and capital returns to shareholders.
It seems like AECOM is strategically positioned for future growth.
Absolutely. Their focus on infrastructure, sustainability, and resilience aligns with global megatrends, positioning them well for long-term opportunities.
Key takeaways. In summary, AECOM has delivered a strong performance in Q3 2025 with record-setting adjusted EPS and increased financial guidance. John, any final thoughts?
AECOM's strategic focus and operational efficiencies are clearly paying off. With a robust backlog and strong market positioning, they are set for continued growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AECOM's performance in the comments below.